Hello guys, Assalam-o-alaikum. I am Kaleem Khan and you are watching our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1. So if you are new on our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. In this video we shall provide information about Sargodha district, Pakistan. Now we start video. Sargodha is a city and capital of Sargodha division located in Punjab province, Pakistan. It is Pakistan's 12th largest city by population and one of the fastest growing cities of the country. Sargodha is also known as the city of eagles. Now location of Sargodha with respect to 5 major cities of Pakistan is as follow: 1202 km 747 miles north of Karachi, 187 km 116 miles west of Lahore, 241 km 150 miles south of Islamabad, 91 kilometers 47 miles northwest of Faisalabad, 223 kilometers 139 miles south of Rawalpindi. Sargodha is situated in Pakistani province of Punjab. It is located 187 kilometers 116 miles northwest of Lahore in Sargodha district. It lies about 48 kilometers 30 miles from the M2 motorway which connects Lahore and Islamabad. It is connected to the M2 by several interchanges at different locations. Sargodha is roughly 91 kilometers from Faisalabad due to southeast. Directly east connected by the M2 motorway are Lahore and the route of Rawalpindi and Islamabad. Due east is the city of Jang. Toward the west are the city of Mianwali and Kashma Beraj. Now topography. Sargodha mainly comprises flat fertile plains, although here are a few small hills on the Sargodha-Faisalabad road. The river Jhelum flows on the western and northern sides, and the river Chenab lies on the eastern side of the city. The city is located 190 meters above sea level. So guys, now climate. The city has a climate of extreme heat in the summers and moderate cold in the winters. The maximum temperature reaches 50 degrees centigrade in the summer, while the minimum temperature recorded is as low as freezing point in the winter. So guys, now history of Sargodha district. Sargodha was established by the British as a canal colony in 1903 and was initially spelled Sargodha. Sargodha was badly affected by an outbreak of the bubonic plague in 1903 and experienced a milder outbreak in 1904. Although it was a small town in the beginning, British Royal Air Force built an airport here due to its strategic location. The term Sargodha has its origin in the words Sar from Sarovar meaning pond and Godha meaning sadhu, which means pond of Godha. The city was founded by Lady Trooper by the supervision of Sir Charles Montgomery Rivas, KCSI, 1845 7 October 1845 to 7 October 1926, a colonial administrator in British India and Lieutenant Governor of the Punjab from 1902 to 1907. Now air base. Pakistan largest air base, PAF base, Mush formerly PAF base Sargodha is situated in Sargodha and hosts the headquarters of the Pakistan Air Forces. Central Air Command. The airbase is also home to the Combat Commanders School, formerly the Fighter Leaders School. So okay guys, now thanks for watching.